Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the world of pool design to explore an essential feature, pool coping. What exactly is pool coping? Let's get into that now. Hi everyone, Ryan here with Royal Pools G2 Outdoor Designs. If you haven't already, click that like and subscribe button to learn all about backyard projects from pool installation to pool services and concrete and landscaping. Okay, let's get started. So what exactly is pool coping? Simply put, pool coping is the material that caps the edge of your swimming pool. It serves both functional and aesthetic purposes. There are several types of coping materials, including aluminum, concrete, natural stone, brick, and tile. Each type offers unique benefits and styles to suit your pool's design. Pool coping is crucial for safety. It creates a non-slip surface around the pool's edge, providing a secure area for entering and exiting the pool. In addition to safety, coping enhances the overall look of the pool. Whether you prefer a sleek modern look or a more rustic vibe, the right coping can transform your outdoor space. Installation of pool coping typically involves setting the material around the pool's perimeter. You can choose coping that complements your pool shape and your backyard's landscaping. When selecting pool coping, consider factors like material durability, maintenance requirements, and how well it matches your overall design theme. In summary, pool coping is more than just a border. It's a crucial element for safety, style, and functionality. Whether you're building a new pool or renovating an existing one, don't overlook the important feature. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.